Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this.
Hello, what's up, KMB TV? Welcome back to Sugar OK. I am solo right now with another tech video. It's been a long time since I hit y'all with a banger. I got something new today for you guys. I got a couple of things coming, but this is just to get the ball rolling. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Samsung SR350 unboxing slash mini review. I'm going to read you the specs to get this video started. It is 75 Hz refresh rate, maximum resolution 1080p, contrast ratio 1000.1, response time rate 5 milliseconds, display LED, panel type IPS, aspect ratio 16:9, curved no 92 pixels per inch. It is a 24x screen. It is mountable 100 mm by 100 mm. I'm getting a little tongue tied. I'm sorry. I just want to go fast as I can. Operating capability is Windows. Low light capability for your eyes, yes. Quantum dot, no. Number of VGA ports, 1. Number of HDMI ports, 1. There are no expandable speakers in it, but you could always connect the speakers to your computer, and that's about it, you know. And I know this isn't like a unbox therapy or Flossie Carter tech review where they get all intricate into the details. This is just something you'd understand it. Do you want to buy it? Yes or no? That's what I'm here for. The brightness is 250 per square meter, and there's no dynamic range. It's a little limited. It's mountable to the wall. Adjustable height, no. Webcam, no. Integrated speakers, no. It's just pretty basic monitor. It gets you from point A to point B, but we're gonna see how that unfolds. So BRB, let me get this open. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so I got it open. This is what it's looking like out of the box. You got your power adapter. You got the cable management, I think right here, that comes with it. This looks like 25 wattage. I think this is another adapter. HDMI. And you got part of your monitor. Go ahead and take that out. You got your stand. Like I said, it's very limited as far as adjusting it, which is why I would recommend you switching it out for like a monitor arm or whatever. Y'all can see that. Boom. Put that right here for you guys. Everything that I'm putting down, I'm gonna bring the camera down, so don't worry, y'all gonna see the good stuff. The manual and all of these things, the tings. Well, let me get this on a flat surface and I'll be back. So I got it out of the box. As you guys can see, it's nice and sleek. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the foam. It's very lightweight, not too heavy. We're gonna put the mount on. Nice matte finish. You can see the reflection of my light. I'm gonna get the stand on, and we're gonna As you can see, it's very easy to assemble. And what you do to get on the stand, you just clip it in the back like so. And at the bottom, there's 2 screws. I didn't screw them in because like I said, I sewed this and I didn't want to have it all screwed together and I have to put it back in the box. But it does adjust up and downward. Nice Samsung logo on the back, nice matte finish on the front. And we're going to get this connected to my computer so you guys can see the display. And as well as a Samsung monitor review, I will be doing the S120 Logitech computer speakers review, just to give you guys a good budget friendly speaker to accompany your monitor if yours doesn't come integrated or whatever like that. I feel these are good price if you're on a budget, you know, don't want to spend more than 15 bucks, I believe. And yeah, and I also would like to apologize for the quality of the video. I'm in the kitchen. I normally do it in my living room, but my baby's out there, so I apologize again. This was not planned. I got it. I'm like, let me do a review before I get rid of it. And hopefully you guys will stay tuned to the end. Enjoy. Hit that like button, subscribe. Let me know y'all rocking with me and y'all want more tech reviews. Thank you for watching. Okay, so guys, you can see me plugging in the HDMI cord in the back of the monitor. I'm holding it for dear life because, like I said earlier, I don't have them screwed on the bottom because I planned on giving this away and I didn't want to do all those things to connect it. I just was being, you know, lazy, whatever. You seen one screen tilt up and down before, you seen them all. Now we got your power adapter that's going to go into the DC port, and you're going to plug that into the adapter, which you need to plug into an outlet. And that's what I'm doing right now. So in the meantime, you see the laptop in the background? That is the Lenovo laptop. That's my personal one. I will be giving away a brand new one that's somewhere in the closet waiting to get sold. So hit those comments, man. Leave a honey emoji next to it. You see the adapter? That's what I was talking about. Plug it in like so. Boom, boom, boom. And then you got to get that into an outlet. But yeah, drop those comments to win that laptop in the background. That's mine. I got a brand new waiting for you. Just for you, for free. All you got to do is comment. Alright, I got the HDMI plugged into the Lenovo laptop. Let's get this monitor on so you guys can see the display. BRB. So everything is locked and loaded now. I don't know if you can see that little blue light at the right bottom of the screen that indicated that it's plugged in, but there's no monitor in there. But it is now. That's why you see the HDMI thing pop up on your left hand at the top corner. Boom, there's the YouTube Studio. It's working very well so far. Instagram. You see everything that's on my laptop is on the display now. What else? The quality is pretty good. It was light, so I made them the lights on this. I'm going to change the angle, so bear with me. I didn't know how good you guys can see it or not from my tripod. Okay, so I clicked the analog on the back of the television. The monitor. There's picture, brightness. You can control the contrast. I raised it a bit. The sharpness, the color, the HDMI level, eye saver mode, I got that off. You got the color, I didn't adjust it. Like I said, I'm giving it away. You got gamma, mode 1, 2, and 3. I think I like the 3 better because it gave me like that dark feel to it, like not so saturated. And that was that setting. And then we go to on-screen display. Transparency is on. You have position. You have the option to change the language. We got display time, 200 seconds, 20, 10, 5. I just kept it at the standard 20. And those were those on display settings. We got the system, information, and that was pretty much it. Alright, so I got my display on Discord. I'm actually going to be showing you how it looks when you put on a video game. I'm not going to really play because I don't have my controller set up and I suck at using the keypad, so yeah, y'all not getting at this video. And you see my baby be my screensaver. I got the Rockstar logo loading up, and in the meantime I figured let me unbox these speakers so you can get a look at them. If you want to hear how they sound, stick to the end of this video because I know my monitor people are here to see this monitor review, not the speakers. So I'm gonna push that all the way to the end, but for now while it's loading up, I figure, hey, let me unbox them, set them up, that way I can play the game and you can hear a little bit, or you know, get a visual and audio as well, not just solely the monitor. I wanted to mix in some audio just to see how your system would sound connected to this Samsung SR350 monitor hookup. I'm just taking it out of the box. It comes with 2 speakers. They're really tiny and much lighter than I imagined. When I got the box, I was quite surprised. I'm going to click online so you guys can see how it is with live play and the feedback and all of that. But they're really tiny. Like I said, if you want to hear them, how they really sound turned all the way up, stick to the end of this video. Speaker cords were really long. I got them tangled, but they're good now. But like I said, I absolutely suck at using the keyboard as a control for GT Online. But you can see I was stuck in the bathroom taking a shower, and that light you see is not from me, it's from the phone, literally like the cell phone on the game. And I was just stuck in the bathroom. I don't even know if I got to the sink. I think in the next clip I did, but you get the idea. It looks great. You know, it's mirroring off my computer, so this is what your gameplay would look like. Hopefully that's satisfying for you. It did the job for me, so yeah, that's how it looked with the gameplay.
You don't know me, but I know you.
Alright, so that concludes the review and unboxing of the SR350. Should you cop it or drop it? I said cop. It's under $200, under $150. Can't beat it as a dual monitor. The lighting does not look like that. My lights was off, so excuse the screen and the setup. But other than that, I feel you should purchase it. It does the job for me, get you to point A to point B. That's all I'm here for. A realistic review, no hype. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the sound test. Okay, you guys, so I didn't give you guys a good enough sound test with these speakers, so I'm gonna play it off the computer. I'm gonna turn it up some. I forgot to turn up on the volume on my computer, y'all. I'm bugging. Y'all hear that? It's right here. Down from the speakers. This is definitely a good investment. 20 bucks, Logitech, brand name. These little things is lightweight. Just plug it in like y'all see into the laptop right here. I so forgot that I could turn up the volume on my computer. I'm so sorry guys, but investment, so yeah. It's all black, y'all can't see, but yeah. Hopefully y'all get them. Let me know in the comments if you got them. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget the Lenovo laptop giveaway coming soon. Road to 1K. And until next time, peace. One. And I'm out.
I do what I want to. Compton. I do what I want. I do what I wanna. I do what I want. I do what I want. I be flexing with your bitch, nigga. Hey, tryna get rich, nigga. Hey, tell her use the lips, nigga.